Hello to everyone and welcome back. Today, we have prepared a video about one of the most complete outdoor Yoosee cameras that we have. The first thing we see most interesting is the included wall mount, which is oversized compared to other similar camera mounts. These included plastic plugs are for plugging the bracket holes. They will be installed in this position. Let's see the camera, and its size is also much larger than in other models. One of the most interesting points of this camera is its night vision, since it has 4 infrared light LEDs that allows night vision of up to 50 or 70 meters in the dark. In the center, you have the camera lens. At the bottom, you have information about the camera and the holes to install the brackets. At the end of the cable, you have the camera connections. Ethernet cable for connection to the router, reset button, power connector for power charger. Before putting the camera into operation, let's see where the memory card is installed. Remove these screws to access inside. Under the cover, you have the slot for the micro SD memory and the reset button. Before starting with the configuration, tell you that in addition to the instructions in English, we will include additional instructions in Spanish. To start the configuration, download and open the app Yoosee. Click up on the plus sign. We have connected the camera to the power and with a cable to the router. See how directly the camera will be detected. The access password is 123. Confirm the process. Check. We have connected the camera with a cable to the router and to the power. Write a name for the camera. In this easy way, you can see the camera on your mobile phone. Pressing at the bottom left, you can change the resolution of the camera. This model allows up to Full HD. Click on the settings icon at the top right. In this section, you have all the configuration options for the camera settings. The first time you use the camera, you will need to update the firmware. We are going to leave it in the background while reviewing other camera options. Camera information. Time setting. This model does not have sound, but from the app in this section, you can adjust the record and speaker volumes for other models that do have sound. Setting the alarm on the camera. Different modes to alarm the camera when a motion detection happens. In the network configuration section, you can connect the camera wirelessly with your Wi-Fi network. In the NVR configuration section, the access of the camera is allowed with the NVR. With this brief but we hope clear explanation on how to configure the IP camera, we leave this video. And as always, we ask you to visit our website where you can find this camera model and other similar ones